Hey friends, it's been a while since I've uploaded to this channel, but today I am sharing a quick plan with me video. You're going to see me quickly do kind of the in process of setting up my monthly and then weekly pages. But I also, at the end of this, have a real-time flip through of what each of the pages look like. So for this planner, this is a Get to Work book from Elise Blaha Crepe. This was from a warehouse sale, so as you can see, the dates are a little bit off. And so I found the Cocoa Daisy planner stickers as a way to easily and in a really fun way correct the dates. The monthly calendar is Sunday through Saturday, and I just leave it like that. But the stickers for this Cocoa Daisy Weeks set, it is on the sheet as a Monday through Sunday, and I really like my monthly setup Saturday to Sunday, so I just trim them up and make them work for me. Also, I don't need things to be straight or centered perfectly. Numbers askew aren't going to keep me from being functional in my planner. So things might be a little wonky here or there as we go through this, and that's fine with me. Next up, I am just going to do a little bit of decorating, covering up a lot of that 19 stuff, like 2019 dated stuff, and things that aren't functional to me. I am using a mix of the Cocoa Daisy. This kit is called Denim and Blush. It's a lot of blues and pinks and pretty peaches and tons of florals. And they also have planner printables for free, as well as a subscriber download that I also printed out. And I just use those for embellishing different spots, some to cover up things like right now I'm working in that lower left hand corner to cover up the little tiny banner right there. And then some are super functional, like I'm going to add this month thing, dashboard, landing page, label, whatever you want to call them, in this little decorative piece right here. And this is what it looks like. Next, I'm going to go through and I'm going to add in some of these circle labels. This is from the Cocoa Daisy Daisy Days, I believe. I use those for dating my weeklies, which you'll see in a second. But right now I'm just putting them in to note which days my husband's going to be in the office versus teleworking. And right now I'm just fixing, I had 8 and 9 reversed, so just putting them back in. Again, not perfect, which is fine by me. I know that's not everybody's jam, but again, I just need my planner to be functional. Everything else is an added bonus. So here we're going to go into my weekly setup. Those numbers are actually from the solstice set from September, I believe, but they coordinated very well and the colors are great. Here I'm just going through. The 15th is a holiday, so no school for my kid, and we also have somebody coming in, so it's going to get a little bit of extra embellishing. We'll have some daily plans and some other stuff. I went through, and on my weekly I also noted which days my husband was going to be in the office versus at home. And then we're going to go into the live. Okay, now that you've seen a quick little run through on how I set it up as I go along, this is what it looks finished, or after I do the initial setup. So, Cocoa Daisy Weeks to do 90% of what you see here, plus the monthly planner printable, which is free in their shop, and then the subscriber downloads. I don't remember which ones are which. I mix them all up after I cut them up. So that's what you're seeing here. A little bit of everything. This is a sticker from the, let's see, is it from this one? No, I think that's from the other sticker set that I use. So this corner is just for dates for the coming month that I need to be cognizant of before I set up my monthly for the next month. So these are all March dates: birthdays, anniversaries, spring break, any kind of travel that's going on, and then of course holidays, no school, Ash Wednesday. I put the reveal sticker on the 20th because, if you don't know, I'm on the Light the Path design team, and that's when the monthly prompt and kit is released in the workshop and for the design team. So that's why that's there instead of on the actual Cocoa Daisy prompt or release day. Turning the page, this is an extra spread that I have. So part of me choosing to decorate and do the dates and stuff is because this was a surplus planner that I got from one of the Get to Work book warehouse sales. I grabbed one to try just to see if I liked the format, and then I grabbed a couple to use just for notebook and note taking and whatever it might lead to, and I loved it. So I've slowly been hacking Get to Work books for the last couple of years while I use them to suit my needs, and redating them is no big deal to me. So I love the way it turned out, in that I get to add some fun color and it changes every single month. So this extra spread I'm using for all kinds of lists and note-taking, social media prompts. Kelly Stamps is doing a February daily prompt, and that's what these are. Blog post ideas, all different note-taking spaces. If I set up a month and it doesn't have this extra space, I use these project breakdown pages and extra grid pages. I also have some in the back, like my Christmas card list. I've used a couple before. All kinds of fun stuff. So I use these a lot. Also, let's see. I also use one of the sticker sets. I think it's this one, yeah. So the Daisy Weeks comes with a tag, and these are already tabbed. So I use this wherever my monthly lists are going, so that it's easy for me to find and remember. So weekly layouts, they're all pretty much the same. As you saw, meal planning goes down here. For this month, I did go through and I noted all my husband's days that he's not teleworking, so I can plan around that. Social media down here when I decide and have them drafted, and I know which days for sure they're going on. I also, on Mondays, I put a quote. This one's a little bit zhuzhed up because we have Valentine's Day. One of our local seasonal restaurants is opening for the holiday weekend, and we have somebody coming in town. So that's what this looks like. Plus it's a holiday, so no school for my kiddo. Telework days, like the path prompt stuff is due. Another quote. Different things that I know are going on. Somebody asked me about my meal plan and groceries. What I tend to do, well, here, we'll finish this out. So these are my weeklies. There are project breakdown pages, and then at the end are the reflect and goal set for the next month. I don't always use these. Sometimes I do, sometimes I don't. But I like using the extra printables to jazz it up a little bit. So things are kind of bare because honestly, let's be real, not much is going on outside of the home that I need to follow. And I'm sure as the month goes on, I add more. So this is what right now looks like in January. So February, prompts for light the path, birthdays, appointments, husband in office, quote card. This probably isn't the best week, but so what I do is for meal planning. So I know we make our meal plan and then we grocery shop, and our groceries go on whichever day we're gonna grocery shop. Our stuff's a little off right now because of the holiday and because of teleworking, but usually what we do is we grocery shop on Saturday for the next coming week. So for this first week of February, I'll write out which meals we want to cook this week, and then the groceries end up on whichever grocery day we do. So we're gonna be doing like a turmeric Thai chicken, a tinga tacos, and pizza rolls with kale salad, and a burger. So I know what some of those days are, but it all depends on what the meat looks like when we get to the grocery store. For those that don't know, we are very rural, so going grocery shopping is not a daily thing. It's once a week or once every 10 days when we can, because the grocery store is quite a bit of ways away. So this is my January reflect and goal set page. I haven't done it yet because it's still January. So yeah, this is what this all looks like kind of when it's set up and put together, and then I'll go in and add more once we get to each week. Like I mentioned earlier in the video, planners are all about functionality for me, and I don't need it to look pretty to work. It's gonna work for me no matter what. And then all the colors and decorations are added. So I hope that was fun and inspiring for you. I'm definitely sharing this because I hadn't seen anybody do this with their Get to Book workbook yet. So I hope you enjoyed, hope you're inspired to decorate your planner in a way that helps suit you. Be sure to like and subscribe so you're notified when more videos come. Like I said, there will be some like the path process videos coming in February. There's going to be a junk journal video coming up as well. So subscribe, hit the little bell button, I think it is now. You know what to do if you're a YouTube video watcher. Thank you as always, and leave any questions you have in the comments below. Bye.